Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting names to return in American muscle, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This car isn't just about raw power, it's about bringing back a legacy that helped define the Camaro name in the first place. The Z28 has always stood for performance on the edge, and in 2026, Chevy delivers that spirit with modern technology and timeless attitude. Under the hood, the 2026 Camaro Z28 roars to life with a naturally aspirated 6.0-liter V8 engine. This beast is tuned to produce an estimated 575 horsepower and over 500 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, standard. That's right, Chevrolet made the decision to stick with a true manual gearbox for enthusiasts who crave control and the tactile connection to the road. An optional 10-speed automatic is available, but purists will appreciate the satisfying click of a proper stick shift. Performance-wise, the Z28 is track-ready straight from the factory. It features magnetic ride control 4.0, Brembo carbon ceramic, brakes, and a limited slip differential to keep all that power planted. Weight reduction was a key focus. Chevrolet used lightweight materials like carbon fiber in the hood, rear spoiler, and even the drive shaft. The result is a Camaro that feels nimble and fast in corners, not just in a straight line. From the outside, the Z28 has an aggressive look that immediately sets it apart from the standard Camaro. The wide front splitter, functional hood scoop, and race-inspired rear diffuser all have a purpose beyond looks. They enhance cooling, aerodynamics, and downforce. The Z28 badge sits proudly on the grille, surrounded by blacked-out accents, 20-inch forged wheels, and massive performance tires. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that blends simplicity with race-ready focus. The interior has been stripped of unnecessary weight, but it still offers modern comforts like a digital driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Recaro performance seats. The rear seats are gone, deleted for weight savings, and if you want a sound system, it's optional. That tells you exactly what this car was built for. On the track, the 2026 Z28 is everything you'd expect. With its aggressive suspension, tuning, and low center of gravity, it grips corners like it's on rails. The steering is precise and the throttle response is immediate. It's loud, raw, and incredibly engaging, just the way a Z28 should be. Chevrolet built the Z28 to honor the past while charging hard into the future. It's not trying to be a comfortable daily driver or a hybrid compromise. It's a muscle car for people who still believe in the thrill of driving, who want to feel every shift, every turn, and every bit of the road beneath them. If this is the final generation of the Camaro, then Chevy made sure it went out with a bang. The 2026 Camaro Z28 is loud, fast, and unapologetic. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And in a world going electric, this Z28 proves there's still room for raw analog muscle. Let me know in the comments if this would be your track weapon of choice, and I'll see you in the next video.